Okay, good morning students, secondary students. Today in differentiability the next topic is derivatives of implicit functions. Derivatives of implicit functions. What is the meaning of derivatives of implicit functions? Implicit functions means x plus y is equal to 1. X plus sin x plus sin y is x y totally function xy in terms of xy. Okay, so first one topic is derivatives of implicit functions. Derivatives of implicit functions. So examples in exercise 5.3. see, find exercise 5.3. find dy by dx. Find dy by dx in the following. Find the dy by dx in the following. Okay, the first one is 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Actually derivative means the y is equal to function. We have to given y is equal to sin x, sin square, cos square are given. But this one not given y is equal to something. Totally combined, x, y totally combined in the equation. So apply derivative. Differentiate with respect to x. Listen carefully. Differentiate with respect to x means d by dx of 2x plus 3y is equal to d by dx of sin x. D by dx of 2x plus 3y is equal to d by dx of sin x. So which formula? D by dx of u plus v. D by dx of u plus v is equal to u dash plus v dash. So d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3y is equal to d by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x. What is the next formula? D by dx of k into u, constant into u is equal to constant into u dash. So this is a constant k u. 2 into d by dx of x plus 3 into d by dx of y is equal to derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. 2 into derivative of x 1 no plus 3 into what we have to prove? Find out dy by dx. Here 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x. So 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2. Finally dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 by 3. This one final. This is briefly explained. This is very simple 2 marks problem, 1 mark 2 marks problem. So d by dx of ECD it is not use, don't use. Okay, this is also directly d by dx of 2x plus 3 is equal to d by dx of 2x plus d of 3y equal to direct k into a formula, direct 2 into x derivative 1 no, 3 into y dy by dx. Once again 2 or more 2-3 days, after 2-3 days all are maximum we have to try direct steps, because the small problem also very lengthy. Okay, this is the first problem. Next, second problem. 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3y is equal to d by dx of sin y. So d by dx of 2x is equal to 2 into 1. D by dx of 3 into y, 3 is a constant, the same. So y derivative dy by dx. So sin y derivative, sin x derivative cos x, sin x derivative cos x, sin y derivative cos y, sin y derivative cos y, again derivative of y is not a 1. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of y not a 1, derivative of y is derivative of dy by dx. So, very careful to see, observe this y is very danger, very careful. So, common 2 is equal to cos y into dy by dx minus 3 into dy by dx. So, dy by dx common, cos y minus 3. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to 2 by cos y minus 3. 2 by cos y minus 3. Okay. Next, third one is homework. We have to try. Fourth one, I will send answer. Third question, homework answers also I will send properly. Small time is taken, so small time. So next one, xy plus y square, xy plus y square, xy plus y square equal to tan x plus y, equal to tan x plus y. Differentiate with respect to x. So x into y, x, y both are variables, not a constant. In the derivative with respect to x means x is not a constant and function is not a constant. Here x is a variable and y is a function. You both are not a constant. So apply the two functions in between into means apply the u into v formula. What is the u into v formula? D by dx of u into v is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. This is the formula. So what is u v? So x, u means what? X into derivative of v, derivative of y dy by dx plus v into what is v? Y. Derivative of x is equal to 1. So y square is converted into x square. Assume x square derivative 2x, y square derivative 2y, but x square derivative only 2x into d by dx of x is equal to 1. Okay, enough. So 2x y square derivative 2y into derivative of y means dy by dx. Okay, e 2y into dy by dx is not neglecting. Don't neglecting. You have to neglect means it's totally wrong. So tan x derivative secant square x plus y derivative dy by dx. Derivative is completed. Next, find simplify and find out dy by dx. All dy by dx are one side, are remaining are another side. So 2y into dy by dx minus dy by dx plus x dy by dx. X dy by dx plus 2 by dx is. So that is equal to secant square y minus y, secant square x minus y. So dy by dx common in left hand side, 2y minus 1 plus x is equal to secant square x minus y. So dy by dx is equal to secant square x minus y by 2y plus x minus 1. What is the third one? Ax plus by square. What is the third one? Ax plus by square is equal to ax plus by square is equal to cos y. This is the homework. Next, fifth one. X square plus xy, x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. This is also homework. Sixth problem. X square plus sixth problem, x cube plus x square into y, x cube plus x square into y plus xy square plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. The next one. So differentiate with respect to x, d by dx of u plus v not only u, two terms, u plus v and so on, so many terms, d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of x square into y, d by dx of x square into y plus d by dx of x y square plus d by dx of y cube is equal to d by dx of 81. D by dx, this is also u into v formula, derivative of x cube is 3x square, x power n, derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1 plus u into v formula, what is u into derivative of v, y derivative dy by dx plus v into y, derivative of x square is equal to 2x u into v formula plus this is also u into v formula, x into derivative of y square is equal to 2y into dy by dx. Okay, x square 2x, y square 2y into dy by dx plus y square into derivative of x is 1. So plus derivative of x cube is equal to 3y square into dy by dx. So derivative of 81 is equal to 0. So next, common dy by dx common, this one dy by dx common with dy by dx, x square plus 2xy, 2y into x means 2xy plus 3y square plus 3y square, 3 dy by dx, remaining 3 another one. So that is equal to minus common 3x square, go to right side, minus 3x square, totally common 3x square plus 2xy, this is 2xy, next plus y square. So finally dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. U into V formula. Seventh problem. Sin square y cos x into y. So differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of sin square y plus d by dx of cos x into y, not cos x into y, cos of x into y is equal to d by dx of k sin x. The sin x can be converted into sin x whole square. Sin square x is equal to the sin y whole square. Sin square y is equal to sin y whole square plus d by dx of cos xy. Cos xy is equal to d by dx of k. K is a constant. Derivative of this is x square formula. The totally sin x is taken x square formula. Derivative of x square is equal to 2x. X means what here? Sin y. Derivative of 2x with d by dx of sin y. Again x derivative. X is not x. X is sin y. X derivative 1. No problem. X is sin y. Sin y derivative is not a 1. So plus derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x into y into d by dx of x into y is equal to derivative of constant 0. Here x is what? X into y is x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. So derivative of x. This is also u into v formula. So 2 sin y into derivative of sin y cos y, again y derivative dy by dx minus sin xy, the u into v formula. U x into y derivative dy by dx plus y into x derivative 1 equal to 0. So 2 sin y into cos y is equal to sin 2y, trigonometry formula, dy by dx minus x into sin xy into dy by dx minus into plus minus y into sin xy is equal to 0. So common dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to sin 2y minus x sin x into y is equal to y sin xy. So finally dy by dx is equal to y sin xy by sin 2y minus x sin xy. This is the final one. Sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Sin square x, this is u plus v formula. Sin square x can converted into plus dy dx of cos square y means cos y whole square is equal to dy dx of 1. So sin square x square 2x, derivative of x square 2x into derivative of sin x again plus 2 cos y x square derivative at 2x into d by dx of cos y is equal to derivative of 1 is 0. 2 sin x, derivative of sin x cos x minus 2 cos y, derivative of cos y. Derivative of cos y is equal to derivative of cos x minus sin x. So minus sin y into, this is the derivative of x is 1. So the derivative of y is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 1. No. 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin into cos y. Formula sin 2x, 2 sin x into cos x. What is the formula? 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin 2x. This is a trigonometry formula. So sin 2x minus into minus plus sin 2y is into dy by dx is equal to 0. 2 sin x cos sin 2x, 2 sin y cos y, sin 2y. So finally sin 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus sin 2x. dy by dx is equal to minus sin 2x by sin 2y. Formula is a main important formula. After application. How to apply the formula in the given problem. Some example homework. X minus y is equal to pi. Example 1. X minus y is equal to pi. Y plus sin y is equal to y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Okay, this is the 2 homework and some example exercise also, 1 or 2 homeworks are there. Okay, we have to do. Okay, I will go to next class.